The new era of business looks like me. We want to talk about, inclusion. It's allowing a community of people that haven't really been paid attention to be invested in. My message to leaders of the day is use your platform to allow the right people to speak. There's a huge opportunity for businesses to really, stand up and rally and have a voice. We want to pump more into the minority entrepreneurs. We want to pump more into some of these small businesses that are coming out of the Comptons or Baltimore. You're starting to see these people leave and become their own entrepreneurs. They want to build businesses and companies that reflect the culture and the people that they come from. My name is Baron Davis, and I'm ready to make change.